Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Transit Custom 2017, and what's happened is thieves are trying to get at this car, and as you can see they've damaged this vehicle. Now obviously deadlocks are pretty useless because you don't know what's happened to your car by the time the damage has been done. So what we've installed on this vehicle is what's called the StarLine E9 security system, smart alarm. And the way it works is you get a tag on you. So this is a tag here. So with this tag you're able to arm and disarm the smart alarm system. Now what happens is, usually what thieves do is the moment they trying to get out your vehicle, or someone obviously copies your key, breaks the glass and trying to steal the vehicle or steal your stuff, an alarm will go off. So I'm going to demonstrate the way that what will happen if they do that. So let's say they break into your vehicle. What happens is the moment they do that, or they touch it, it will activate the alarm system. This will also work if they got any kind of door, so if they've got sensors in the car, so if they try and do that, it will go off. So as you can see now, I'm going to try and start the vehicle. So I got in here, the car will not start, as you can see that. Now the way you disarm this system is using the tag. So this is the tag. What you do is when you get to the vehicle, you just need to press the tag and it will disarm the system. Now with the system did not disarm, as you can see, the car now starts. So yeah, if you want this system installed on your vehicle, give us a shout on 028 554 5554, or even come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG26QA 28 Cantley Gardens. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel guys. Thank you.